U.S. inflation data on Wednesday is expected to show that the Consumer Price Index rose at an annual rate of 3.1% in June. Core CPI, which strips out volatile food and fuel prices, is expected to increase at an annual rate of 5%. The U.S. economy added the fewest jobs in 2.5 years in June. Wage growth indicated that labor market conditions remain tight. Investors will get the chance to hear from several Fed officials during the week. The Fed is also to publish its Beige Book on Wednesday. Earnings season for big banks. Earnings season for big banks will begin on Friday, after passing the Fed's stress tests. J.P. Morgan Chase, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo are all scheduled to report earnings on Friday. Analysts are expecting sluggish deal-making and trading revenue, as well as layoffs due to lack of investment banking activity. Analysts will also pay close attention to what banks have to say about the outlook for lending and rainy day funds. China to release inflation and trade data in the coming week, data likely to underline faltering post-COVID recovery, inflation expected to hold steady at 0.2%, exports expected to fall again, high-tech trade war with Washington and restrictions on chip-related imports, Beijing has hit back with curbs on chip-making metal exports, Washington mulling curbs on Chinese companies' access to cloud computing services. Central banks' decisions. The Bank of Canada is set to hold its latest policy meeting on Wednesday, with analysts expecting another 25 basis point rate hike. This follows a strong jobs report on Friday that indicates the economy is resilient. The BOC is also to unveil new economic forecasts on Wednesday, despite 9 rate increases totaling 450 basis points since March of last year. The economy has remained robust. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand is set to keep rates on hold at its meeting on Wednesday, having already called time on its tightening cycle. Oil prices closed at the highest level in 9 weeks on Friday. Both Brent and U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude, WTI, gained around 5% for the week. Supply concerns and technical buying offset worries that further rate hikes could slow economic growth. Top oil exporters Saudi Arabia and Russia announced fresh output cuts last week. A weaker dollar makes crude cheaper for holders of other currencies, which could boost oil demand. Buying low and selling high seems so simple. But then why do 90% of traders lose their money? Knowing when to enter and exit the market is the key to trading success. Using the science of statistics and real-time artificial intelligence, Theta 45 predicts the next closing price within a range of probabilities. If the price drops below a predicted range, Theta 45 traders place an order to buy and then sell when the price rises back up. Theta 45 traders aim to be in and out of the market as soon as possible and no later than the close of the next trading day. Download Theta 45 on your mobile device now and try our free demo.